Hi, so today I'm going to be making a game of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So, first of all, I'm going to take a backdrop. You can choose anything, but I'm going to choose slopes. Then I'm going to add sprite, and then I'm going to take alphabet, A for addition, S for subtraction, A for addition, S for subtraction, M for multiplication, and D for division. A, S, A, S, um, multiplication, and D division. Now I'm going to name them, and division. Okay, now I'm going to put them in order. I'm going to increase the size a bit. And then I'm going to change their appearance, change the color, and purple. Okay, now let's code them so they actually work. Now I'm going to go here, and then I'm going to go in events to decide whether which thing pressed and the game will start. So I'm going to add when A key pressed, since it's addition and addition starts with A. So when A key pressed, then I'm going to go to variables and make three variables. One variable is named number one. Second variable is made number two, and third variable is named solution. Okay, now I'm going to take this block, set number 1 to pick random from 1 to 50. Then set number 2 to pick random 1 to 50. Now I'm going to go again on the variables. Set solution to number 1 plus number 2. To take here this block of number 2 and number 1. So set solution to number 1 plus number 2. Now I'm going to put instances. I'm going to take ask. Then I'm going to go here and click on join. Take join block, put it here. Take another join block, merge them and put them here. No, another. Okay. Now I'm going to write here what is number 1. I'm going to go in variables, take this block. What is number 1 plus number 2? Now I'm going to go in control and take if then block, if else block, and then I'm going to go in operations. If I'm going to go here, if number 1 oh now I'm going to go in instances. If answer is equal to solution, then say good job. Else say uh, please try again. Better luck next time. And in the beginning, I'm going to add wrong answer. Please try again. Better luck next time. Or I'm going to remove this to make this shorter. Okay. Now or to make the game more good, you can also tell the correct answer. So I'm going to go and join. I'm going to add 2 joins. And I'm going to remove this. I'm going to write sorry, but Your answer is incorrect. The correct answer is I'm going to take this. I'm going to put these two here. Number 1 plus number 2. Sorry, but your answer is incorrect. The correct answer is, and then this will tell the answer. And I'm going to change the seconds to 4 seconds. Okay, now let's test it out. I'm going to press A. Now it asks what is 7 plus 24 or 27. So I'm going to write the answer. Good job, you're a pro. Okay, so that was the correct answer. Now, again, I'm going to press A and I'm going to tell the wrong answer. Now it tells the answer. Sorry, but your answer is incorrect. The correct answer is 36. Okay, now we can change and increase the time a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to put this same to same and subtraction and make changes there. Okay, the changes is I'm going to change this into S because it's subtraction. This is correct. If you want to challenge yourself more hard, you can change and increase the number, but I'm going to keep the limit in 50. Now, instead of set the solution to number 1 plus number 2, I'm going to change it into subtraction instead of plus. I'm going to change it into minus. Set solution to number 1 plus number 2. And now, subtract. The correct answer is, then I'm going to change this symbol to this. Okay. Now let's test this one too. What is 19 minus? Okay, so now we have to make a little change. I'm going to change number 1 into 1 to 100, this to 1 to 20. Okay, now I'm going to click S. Okay, what is 22 minus 18? Okay, the answer is 4. Okay, now I'm going to click it again. Now I'm going, the answer is 7, but I'm going to enter 10, and now it's still the answer. Okay, now I'm going to put this same to same in multiplication. Okay, again I'm going to make these changes. I'll be right back to you when till I make the changes. Okay, so now these are the changes which I made. Now let's test this out too. So I forgot to put in here. Okay, it's 8 ones are, of course it's 8. Again, what's 2 6 are? Now I'm going to enter the wrong answer. Okay, now this is also x. Now division. I'm going to same as this here. Let me make the changes and get back to you. Okay, now I'm going to D. Okay, what is 5 divided by 9? So I'm going to change this. Select a mistake. The first number is less and the second number is greater. Give me a minute. Okay, now again D. Okay, so now I'm going to enter the answer. Now I'm going to enter here 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2, of course. Now I'm going to click D again. 2 divided by 1. So the answer is 1, but I'm going to enter 10 and it tells the good answer. Now, since it shows the solution here, so I'm going to hide it, all of them. This was the game, and I hope you like it. So this was the game, and I hope you liked it. Please subscribe the channel and like and comment. Bye.